In today's kitchen, versatility and convenience are key, and this Beizuzu Cordless Hand Blender stands out as a tool that offers both. This 4-in-1 USB Rechargeable Immersion blender is designed to make cooking more efficient, allowing you to blend, chop, whisk, and beat ingredients with ease. Whether you're preparing a smoothie, baby food, or a gourmet sauce, this cordless hand blender promises to be a reliable kitchen companion. In this detailed review, we'll explore the features, performance, and overall value of the Beizuzu Cordless Hand Blender, helping you decide if this innovative tool is right for your culinary needs. The Beizuzu Cordless Hand Blender is designed with modern aesthetics and functionality in mind. Its sleek black finish gives it a contemporary look that fits well in any kitchen. Beyond its appearance, the blender is built to last, featuring a sturdy stainless steel body that resists wear and tear. One of the standout features of this blender is its ergonomic design. The multi-angle operation allows you to adjust the blender to 3 different angles: 90 degrees, 135 degrees, and 180 degrees. This flexibility makes it easier to use the blender in various containers, whether you're working with a deep pot, a wide bowl, or a narrow beaker. The ability to adjust the angle also reduces strain on your wrist, making it more comfortable to use for extended periods. The cordless design is another significant advantage. Powered by a rechargeable lithium-ion battery, the Beizuzu hand blender can be used anywhere without the hassle of cords getting in the way. This makes it particularly useful for tasks that require mobility around the kitchen, such as blending soups directly in the pot or preparing ingredients on a crowded countertop. The Beizuzu Cordless Hand Blender is not just about convenience, it's also about performance. Equipped with a powerful high-speed motor, this blender can handle a wide range of tasks, from blending smoothies to chopping nuts and whisking cream. The 21-speed adjustable settings allow you to fine-tune the blending speed to match the specific needs of your recipe. Whether you need a gentle mix for a delicate sauce or a high-speed blend for a smoothie, this blender has you covered. The 4-in-1 functionality is where the Beizuzu truly shines. The package includes a blender shaft, a 700 ml chopper, a 700 ml beaker, an egg whisk, and a beater. This range of attachments means that you can switch between different tasks with ease, using the same base unit. Here's a closer look at each attachment. 1. Blender shaft. The stainless steel shaft is perfect for blending smoothies, pureeing soups, and making sauces. The sharp blades ensure that all ingredients are evenly blended, creating a smooth and consistent texture.
2. 700 ml chopper. The chopper attachment is ideal for chopping vegetables, nuts, and herbs. With a generous 700 ml capacity, it can handle larger quantities, making meal prep quicker and more efficient. 3. 700 ml beaker. The included beaker is perfect for measuring and mixing ingredients. It's also useful for blending smaller quantities, such as single servings of smoothies or baby food. 4. Egg whisk and beater. These attachments are great for whipping cream, beating eggs, and mixing batter. Whether you're making pancakes or preparing a meringue, these tools make the process easy and efficient. One of the biggest selling points of the Beizuzu Cordless Hand Blender is its cordless design. Powered by a rechargeable lithium-ion battery, this blender offers the freedom to move around the kitchen without being tethered to an outlet. This is particularly useful for tasks that require mobility, such as blending a hot soup directly in the pot or moving between different prep stations. The battery life is impressive, offering optimal runtime for most kitchen tasks. The blender also features a battery indicator that flashes when it's time to recharge, so you're never caught off guard with a dead battery. Charging is easy and convenient with the included USB cable, allowing you to charge the blender using a power bank, laptop, or wall adapter. The cordless design doesn't compromise on power. Despite being portable, the Beizuzu hand blender delivers the same level of performance as corded models, making it a practical choice for both everyday cooking and more demanding culinary tasks. The Beizuzu Cordless Hand Blender is designed with user convenience in mind. The one-button operation makes it simple to use, while the 21-speed adjustable settings allow you to customize the blending speed to suit your needs. The attachments are easy to swap out thanks to the simple click-and-go design. This means you can quickly switch between blending, chopping, and whisking without any hassle. Cleaning up after using the blender is also a breeze. The detachable design allows you to easily remove the attachments for cleaning. All parts are dishwasher safe, making cleanup quick and easy. If you prefer to wash them by hand, the stainless steel and plastic components are easy to rinse off. Just be sure not to immerse the motor unit in water, as this can damage the electronics. Safety is always a priority when it comes to kitchen appliances, and the Beizuzu Cordless Hand Blender is no exception. The blender is designed with safety features that ensure secure operation, such as the ergonomic handle that provides a firm grip, reducing the risk of accidents. The stainless steel attachments are also food safe, ensuring that your ingredients are handled safely. In addition to its safety features, the Beizuzu Hand Blender comes with a 1-year warranty, providing peace of mind with your purchase. This warranty covers any defects in materials or workmanship, ensuring that you're protected in case of any issues with your blender. The Beizuzu Cordless Hand Blender is an excellent choice for anyone looking for a versatile, powerful, and convenient kitchen tool. Here's why this blender stands out. 1. Cordless convenience. The rechargeable battery allows you to use the blender anywhere in the kitchen without being limited by the length of a power cord. 2. Versatility. With its 4-in-1 design, the Beizuzu Hand Blender can handle a wide range of tasks, from blending and whisking to chopping and mixing. 3. Power and precision. The powerful motor and 21-speed adjustable settings provide the control you need to achieve the perfect consistency for your recipes. 4. Ease of use and cleaning. The ergonomic design, one-button operation, and dishwasher-safe parts make this blender easy to use and clean. 5. Durability and safety. Built from high-quality materials and backed by a 1-year warranty, the Beizuzu Hand Blender is a reliable and trustworthy addition to any kitchen. In conclusion, the Beizuzu Cordless Hand Blender is a must-have tool for anyone who loves to cook. Its cordless design, versatile attachments, and powerful performance make it an invaluable addition to any kitchen. Whether you're preparing a quick smoothie, chopping vegetables for dinner, or whisking eggs for breakfast, this blender will make the task easier and more enjoyable. For home cooks who value convenience, versatility, and quality, the Beizuzu Cordless Hand Blender is a smart investment. It's a tool that you'll find yourself reaching for time and time again, helping you create delicious meals with minimal effort. If you enjoyed this review, be sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.